Okay, another installment of pachinko files. This is a daiichi machine from mid to late 70s. I added 2 tulips on this, bought them from Vintage Pachinko. I'm going to try to get the electrical going on this one. Now, this machine has, in this corner, a light that tells you that the upper hopper is low. And in the middle, the jackpot lights with 1 bulb there. So let's look at the back. Looking at the back of the machine, it looks messy with the wires, but they're really very simple circuits. And basically just 2 for this machine. In the upper corner, we have the 3 lugs. The blue one's actually a spare. That was to notify the pachinko parlor that they needed a refill. I've attached here a 9-volt clip plug, red to the red and black to the green. And I'm going to trace out the circuits with my continuity tester now. Continuity tester is pretty simple. You put the DMM into resistance mode and put it into beep mode. So when the resistance goes less than, I think it's 100 ohms, we get a beep. And we'll use this to look for where there's continuity or not in our 2 circuits. Here's the light bulb for the empty tray. I'm going to check continuity there. Try to do this one-handed, but from the tip of the bulb to the side, I am getting that. There we go. I'm getting continuity. So the bulb is good. Now the micro switch. Right now, it should have continuity because there's no balls in the tray. And we get a beep. Now let's put something in the tray and see what happens then. Now with a couple of wrenches for weight, pushing down the button of the micro switch, we have open circuit, no beep. Good, so it works. The light will go off when there's weight on this arm here. Last, I'm going to check the little leaf switch. This one's a little more protected than in some models. It's inside this box where the jackpot rocker arm is. Notice what happens when I get a jackpot. This goes here, and it closes those leaves. Now, I already did a little cleaning using a jeweler's file and supporting it with another jeweler's file or my fingertip and sanding the contacts here and here because they do get oxidized. Following the wires up, I have a place I can contact here. I should have nothing right now. Oh, what was that? No, I touched the blades together. Okay, there we go. No beep. Now let's flip the rocker and close the switches. Now we got a beep. So that switch works. Don't forget to reset the rocker arm here before we get to playing. And close the dump ball switch here before we add balls. One thing I forgot about, which confirms that my light bulb is going to work at the jackpot level, is the leaves were inside here, came up. I didn't realize there's actually a red wire coming off here that goes to the bulb that's inside. Now the fact that I got continuity across these 2 means that that circuit's complete. When the jackpot leaves are closed, it means that my light bulb is also good. Yay! So now we're ready to put the battery on and give it a shot. After plugging the battery in, we see we have the nice pink light in the corner. The the upper tray empty indicator, which goes out when we add balls. Okay, now we're going to test the jackpot. Let's see how that works. One other mod to show off here is the paint tray mod, temporarily placed on this machine till I get taller feet. Standard $3 paint tray from Home Depot down here, with the deep end on this side and the inclined on this side. It's a little bit more than a 2x4. Actually, it's a 2x4 plus a ½ inch height to clear it. Then I just have a couple tubes made from toilet paper tube and a juice bottle to direct the balls out the back. And the balls roll back down here, making it easy to grab them and refill the tray at the top. Oh, out of balls, and we've got our pink indicator light. Okay, the light's out. Let's do a little more tray action. I have a sticky gate here. The towels just to damp it. Mouse pad works good too. Just for information, either of these bulbs will work. The round bulbs, I've got the model number 50 from Radio Shack, 7.5 volts, 220 milliamps. And for the oval bulbs, I've got model number 40 from Radio Shack with 6.3 volts, 150 milliamps. It's about the right range.